still I travel. Fearless in every gravel. Some man chase gold, end up in trouble. Me lift me head, keep me life humble. Zion at the school, teach me fi live, teach me fi share, teach me fi give. When Babylon talk, me nah get trick. Me plant good seed and watch it stick. So me breathe in peace, breathe out fire. Stand up straight, no lose me desire. Jah light guide me through the mire. Higher and higher, higher and higher. Zion meditation, make me rise. Zion meditation, clear me eyes. Heart stay firm, soul stay wise. Zion meditation, me realize. Jah not sleep, hidden here, hold me firm. Drive firm, firm. Zion meditation, one heartbeat, one vibration. Every man a fight them own illusion. Some move cold in a confusion, but truth no dead. It just hide in the stillness where the wise reside. Me watch the child laugh in the yard. Me see the old man weather than hard. See him sunburn both rich and poor. So why we build up wall and warfare? So me breathe in peace, breathe out fire. Stand up straight, no lose me desire. Jah light guide me through the mire. Higher and higher, higher and higher. Zion meditation, make me rise. Zion meditation, clear me eyes. Heart stay firm, soul stay wise. Zion meditation, me realize. Jah not sleep, hidden here, hold me firm. Drive out fire. Zion meditation, one heartbeat, one vibration. When the night feel heavy upon my chest, me sing deep, then me find my rest. No need fist, no need fear, pride. Only the truth will live inside. From dust to dew, from hurt to song. Small flame still burn, still strong, still long. Zion meditation, all meditation. Zion meditation, make me rise. Zion meditation, clear me eyes. Heart stay firm, soul stay wise. Zion meditation, me realize. Jah not sleep, hidden here, hold me firm. Drive out fire. Zion meditation, one heartbeat, one vibration. Bucket of faith. Sun like the zinc and the day feel great. Hustling at the mud, still me hold me straight. One small breadfruit, still me know me fate. Old soul walk slow, but him never late. Jah right on the road where the heart them take. If you lose your way, don't cuss your fate. Plant little seed, watch the mountain shake. Bread and no more for the precious sister, take your time. Every rough road I teach ya, every tear I sigh. Love prayer, hold me up, hold me up. Love prayer, fill me cup, Jah light live right here, deep inside me chest. Love prayer, maybe bless, maybe make. Man, I need more than cash and pride. Need clean heart when the storm outside. Need one true word to guide the tide. Need little mercy when the ego rise. Me see the rich man hungry for more. Me see the poor man sing by the door. Truth stays steady like the ocean floor. Love alone can settle the war. Brother, no sell your spirit for your Stone by stone, me rise up till the fear done die.
Tell your brethren, life no easy pon the lane. Every step you're taking on the rain, still you have to guard your brain. Make them chat, them talk. Babylon love twist up true, but the heart was still in a peace, strong like mango. Me see the man run far, still him soul feel small. If you want stand tall, you have to know yourself, that's all. Easy now, no rush the road. Take your time, let wisdom load. When the pressure come and test your bone, keep your fire, keep your tone. Peaceful heart, keep it alive. Peaceful heart, make your spirit survive. Peaceful heart, one love, one mind. Peaceful heart, leave the bad things behind. Peaceful heart, hey, me brother. Peaceful heart, strong like cedar. Peaceful heart, the highest heart. Peaceful heart, start with your heart. If you carry anger like stone, you only building up a prison. But forgiveness nah mean weak, it mean your soul got vision. Sunrise over zinc fence, picnic laugh in the yard. One clean breath, one humble prayer can make the whole road hard, no more hard. Them want sell fear in pocket, them want trick you with glitter and noise. But the wise man know, joy no come from chasing toys. Easy now, no rush the road. Take your time, let wisdom load. When the pressure come and test your bone, keep your fire, keep your tone. Peaceful heart, keep it alive. Peaceful heart, make your spirit survive. Peaceful heart, one love, one mind. Peaceful heart, leave the bad things behind. Peaceful heart, hey, me brother. Peaceful heart, strong like cedar. Peaceful heart, the highest heart. Peaceful heart, start with your heart. When the storm them come through and the night feel cold, remember love is a house and courage is the door. No need gold on your finger if your chest full of fear. Better one clean conscience you hear than a million words no clear. Peaceful heart, keep it alive. Peaceful heart, make your spirit survive. Peaceful heart, one love, one mind. Peaceful heart, leave the bad things behind. Peaceful heart, hey, me brother. Peaceful heart, strong like cedar. Peaceful heart, the highest heart. Peaceful heart, start with your heart. like prayer. Inna the zinc fence lane, it they are everywhere. Whispers of Jah inna me head and me bone tell me say no man nah live by bread alone. When the road get rough and the grudge them pile up, hold for your roots, make the true vine rise up. Babylon want you bent, want your spirit drop low, but the wise man know the quiet seed grow. Step slow, nah rush the hour. Jah word give the weak man power. If your heart stay clean, you go see the sign. Small voice lead big man line by line. Hey, whispers of Jah, guide me through the fire, lift me higher. Jah, whispers of Jah, a little voice, a big salvation. Grow up on truth where the elders keep. In a field full of sweat and a promise deed. One little smile can heal a holy pain, and one good deed come back like fresh rain. Them sell fear by the bag by the truckload too, but a free soul can't be bought so cheap. No, if you lose yourself, turn back to the songs, cause peace don't come from one or polished job. Step slow, now rush the hour. Jah word give the weak man power. If your heart stay clean, you go see the sign. Small voice lead big man line by line, yeah. Whispers of Jah, guide me through the fire, lift me higher. Jah, whispers of Jah, a little voice, a big salvation. When the night gets heavy, when the belly turn round, your spirit feel joy like cracking a wall. Hear the calming of the storm, hear the loving of the pain. Jah now shout loud, he move like rains. Me stand up straight and me no bow for spite. Me no sell me soul for a flash, for a hype. One breath, one step, one faithful plan. Just still build kingdom in a simple mind. Whispers of Jah, guide me through the fire, lift me higher. Jah, whispers of Jah, a little voice, a big salvation. Jah. Me walk with the whisper, me live by the whisper, and my soul get richer. The stone them call, ancient echoes move through the market wall. Old drum talking and me rib gets through. Tell me you, what you gonna do? Babylon build high but it can't stay long. River still sing the same old song. Me step slow but me sight stay clear. Every little wound turn wisdom pure. So me lift up me head, no fret, no fear. Hear the ancestors breathing near when the road gets rough. Hear me when me say, one good heart can light the way. Ancient echo, carry me through. Ancient echo, me and you. Ancient echo, tell the truth. Stay firm, brethren. Stay in a you. Ancient echo, roll like sea. Ancient echo, set us free. Ancient echo, deep and loud. Rise up humble, stand up proud. Me not chest up on a broken throne. Me rather plant seed in a fertile bone. Small truth growth like a breadfruit tree. Bend but not break, that's how it be. When hunger talk, share what you have. When pain not talk, still keep it brave. Jah make the poor man rich inside.
Teach him see through the longest night. So me lift up me head, no fret, no fear. Hear the ancestors breathing near when the road get rough. Hear me when me say, one good heart can light the way. Ancient echo, carry me through. Ancient echo, me and you. Ancient echo, tell the truth. Stay firm, brethren, stay in a you. Ancient echo, roll like sea. Ancient echo, set us free. Ancient echo, deep and loud. Rise up humble, stand up proud. If you lose your way, look down at the ground. Every footstep is a drum sound. You not need gold fi know who you be. Me soul remember, me soul remember. Ancient echo, carry me through. Ancient echo, me and you. Ancient echo, tell the truth. Stay firm, brethren, stay in a you. Ancient echo, roll like sea. Ancient echo, set us free. Ancient echo, deep and loud. Rise up humble, stand up proud. Pressure building, nowhere to go. Babylon system trying to steal your glow. But within your spirit, peace will grow. Look inside. You will find roots of tranquility deep in your soul. Let the rhythm take control. Roots of tranquility make you whole. Yes, it make you feel so bold. Life a struggle, a constant fight. Seek out the wisdom, embrace the light. Every sunrise a brand new start. Plant good seeds in all your heart. Don't let them tell you what to be. Break free from all captivity. Your mind a garden, let it bloom. Chase away the darkest gloom. Roots of tranquility deep in your soul. Let the rhythm take control. Roots of tranquility make you whole. Yes, it make you feel so bold. river, me watch the stone. Every tide know the way home. When pressure rise, me no lose ground. Me breathe real slow, me face the sound. Jah place wisdom in a quiet tide. Enough storm pass, still life provide. Me say easy now, no force the door. What fi come, it come for sure. So me move with patience, step by step. One good prayer in a me chest. No need for run, no need for beg. The right tree grow from a steady seed. Calm water, calm water, calm water. Guide me through the fire. Calm waters, calm water. Lift me higher. Some man chase glory, some man chase gold. End up empty, stiff and cold. Me rather have peace in a me bowl than a loud mouth life and a wounded soul. If your heart get heavy, leave it on ground. Listen how the deep truth sound. No brag, no fright, no poison talk. Even rough road teach you how to walk. So me hold me lane, me keep me eyes on the brother in a disguise. Every scar still preach a sermon true. Pain can shape what you walk into. Calm water, calm water, calm water. Guide me through the fire. Calm waters, calm water. Lift me higher. From the tear comes song, even broken roots can grow up strong. So me not bow to the fear man style. Me just keep trudging mile by mile. Jah know me name, Jah know me pain. And after drought come the rain. Calm water, calm water, calm water. Guide me through the fire. Calm waters, calm waters. Lift me higher.
Sun the blow, me still a stand. Finger inna the earth, soul inna the hand. Babylon noise can't broke me head. Me plant good seed and me yam me bread.
Every stone in a road got a lesson deep. Every scar in my skin, it a take me key. Me no beg for crown, me no beg for chain. Me only beg the blessing on the brain. So me chant, yes me chant. Inna the dust when the spirit want. Hold on strong, no move too fast. Evening come but truth must last. Evening chant, hold your ground. Evening chant, hear the sound. Your light stay when night come down. Evening chant, no lose your crown. Evening chant, hold your ground. Evening chant, hear the sound. Rise up now, make your soul live loud. Evening chant, walk through the crowd. Me watch the man where I brag today. Tomorrow morning him does fi pay. So me humble, me firm, me clean. Like river stone where wash them green. Y'all them smile and pick me laugh. Me fi build up life, not just off. If your heart get tired, breathe one time. Turn pain to wisdom, turn mud to wine. So me chant, yes me chant. When the world get rough and the mind feels gone, hold on strong, no move too fast. Evening come but truth must last. Evening chant, hold your ground. Evening chant, hear the sound. Your light stay when night come down. Evening chant, no lose your crown. Evening chant, hold your ground. Evening chant, hear the sound. Rise up now, make your soul live loud. Evening chant, walk through the crowd. If you lose your way, look on the moon. It no rush no man, but it reach for soon. Small steps, big faith, that are the cool. One heart, one aim on the righteous route. Evening chant, hold your ground. Evening chant, hear the sound. The light stay when night come down. Evening chant, don't lose your crown. Evening chant, hold your ground. Evening chant, hear the sound. Rise up now, make your soul live loud. Evening chant, walk through the crowd.
Brethren, me wake with the sun in my eye. See a moon and watch a heap of people cry. Life no easy, but it not stay hard forever. Storm bring lesson and lesson build character, yeah. Them want rush fruit off a tree before time, but every good thing have to grow in a line. My step slow, my heart stay true. Spirit na my chest like river true. So my hold on, yes my hold on. When the road get rough, me sing my song. Jah lighten at the crack, small but strong. Every little struggle still a make me long. Eternal spirit, guide me way. Eternal spirit, night to day. Hold me firm when the wicked shake. Eternal spirit, never break. See, poverty not just one pocket empty. It's a mind state when them teach you plenty. For bow down low and call it success, but freedom grow when a soul say less. Me see the youth them hungry for a better road. Make them know hope is a real load.
No sell your conscience for a shiny chain. Gold can't heal a wounded brain. So me hold on, yes, me hold on. When the road get rough, me sing me song. Jah light inna the crack, small but strong. Every little struggle still a make me long. Eternal Spirit, guide me way. Eternal Spirit, night to day. Hold me firm when the wicked shake. Eternal Spirit, never break, never break. If you fall, get up with grace. Dust off your heart face to face. No man no on the breath in him love. No king no keep the sunrise, yo. Some give thanks for the earth, for the rain. Them cut deep, but them teach the name of the fire that live when the flesh don't sleep. That eternal breath so solid, so deep. Eternal Spirit, guide my way. Eternal Spirit, night to day. Hold me firm when the wicked shake. Eternal Spirit, never break, never break, never break. Never break. Silent mountain, me see you stand. Stone face high on the promised land. Wind can't move you, rain can't break. Teach me patience in every ache. Old roots deep in the red dirt eye. Every scar tell a youth them cried. But the hills still rise, calm and true say. Stand firm in all you do. When the road get rough and the mind get thin, hear that still voice from within. No rush, no flex, no false alarm. Strength live quiet, not in a charm. Silent mountain, hold my soul. Silent mountain, make me whole. Steady steps and a burning flame. Silent heart, be kind in it. Silent mountain, hold my soul. Silent mountain, make me whole. When the world get loud and mean, you teach me how to stay serene. Me brethren lost in a paper chase, running too fast, no time for grace. House full of noise, heart full of fear, but truth walks off and it stay clear. Make your hand light, make your spirit clean. Plant good seed in a concrete seed. Jah no ask for a perfect man, only one who try and stand. If you stumble, rise again. Same sun wash the road and pain. Every tear will fall like rain. Shape the clay and heal the brain.